Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. A person who changed the turbo 2 weeks ago in his car, has an engine 2000 TDI, BKD, he has put an exchange turbo on it, and that exchange turbo sounds like an ambulance, and he asks, what should I advise him to do? The first thing is to return that turbo, because they have given him a turbo with a badly balanced turbine shaft. The problem you may have, is that at any moment the turbo bursts. And the same oil that lubricates the turbine shaft, enters the intake and the engine enters self-combustion, and can blowing up the engine. Be careful with this, as I say. If it sounds like ambulances, it's because it's badly balanced. To balance it, you see, what they do is remove material, until they find that balance. Sometimes turbo exchange companies, they buy the cartridges that are already balanced, other times they balance them. But sometimes those cartridges that are already balanced are not well balanced. And if they install it poorly balanced, these things happen. It sounds like an ambulance or like siren, and you expose yourself to an engine brake, not just turbo. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.